तो कैसे हैं आप लोग?
Hello guys, welcome to my channel Study Hub. Today I will discuss about the second part, that is part 2 of MCQ questions regarding first semester of applied chemistry, which will be held on first when do you know, third week of the April. Okay, so let's you must remember that MCQ questions is very important for your scoring marks or also for pass marks. For weak students, for pass mark के लिए ये MCQ बहुत ज़रूरत है, इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. और बेटर स्टूडेंट के लिए स्कोरिंग, दैट इज़ द हाई स्कोर के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो रिमेंबर इट. 20 objectives will be there. Okay, 20 you have to write the correct 20 out of 24 or 25 questions, but you have to write how many number of objective type questions? 20 questions. We remember it. Okay, and next from ABC group, most probably 5 questions are there, or each questions carry 8 marks, 3, 2, 3. Okay, 4 plus 4, 2 plus 2 plus ऐसे डिविजन होगा, लेकिन 5 into 8 40 मार्क्स, तो 40 या 20 60 मार्क्स. या इसका तुम्हारा जो थियोरी एग्ज़ाम होगा जो 40 मार्क्स नहीं, 40 मार्क्स प्लस 20 मार्क्स ऑब्जेक्टिव. ऑब्जेक्टिव 20 में 20 तुमको पढ़ना होगा. Clear? So that's why I am giving some tips, some important questions and their solutions of MCQs. So let's start. Okay, let's start. The most vulcanizing agent which is mostly used, vulcanizing agent, mostly used, which one? Vulcanizing agent mostly used. You have to write the answer which is used as a vulcanizing agent. Okay, so write CS2, H2S, sulfur. Okay, and you can write SO2. So which will be the correct answer? Tell me. Vulcanizing agent, vulcanization you have learned in the classes. Vulcanization done within the raw rubber, you have to use some percentage of sulfur with the raw rubber to make it what? The stretchability reduce करने के लिए, sticky reduce करने के लिए vulcanization जरूरी है. तो raw rubber जो है उसके साथ कोई मिलाना जरूरत है. Which is the compound? Which agent you will used from this CS2, H2S, SO2S? Mostly used is sulfur. Okay, the answer is okay, sulfur. Correct. Number 2 questions. Which among the following has the highest? Which has highest calorific, shorte calorific value, which has highest calorific value? That means from fuel, that is producer gas, water gas, LPG, producer gas, right, water gas, you can write you can write methane also, natural gas. So which has the highest calorific value? Highest calorific value. This is calorific value. I am not writing the full form. The which LPG, producer gas, water gas, and CH4. You have to find out which of the. But in that case, sometimes may written biogas also there. Biogas instead of this, even biogas. So you have to remember the LPG. LPG has the highest calorific value out here. It will be LPG. Write it in your copy, note it down. It is very important for your semester exam. Okay, I will discuss just most important questions. And last, I will give also some questions. Next, corrosion is an example of what? Corrosion, we have learned corrosion is an, right, मेरे साथ तुम लोग सब लिखो, write with me. Corrosion is an example of a oxidation, okay, oxidation, reduction, okay, oxidation, reduction, number C, erosion, D, electrolysis. Erosion, electrolysis, okay. Oxidation, reduction, erosion, electrolysis. Which will be the answer? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, oxidation is an example of oxidation. Clear? Next, natural rubber is basically a polymer of. Natural rubber is, write with me, is basically a polymer of. Natural rubber is basically a polymer of. Natural polymer of ethane, isoprene, propane, ethane. Number 1, isoprene. Number 2, propane. Okay, propane, which is given ethane. Ethine. Okay, the isoprene, propane, ethane, ethine. Natural rubber is basically a polymer of which? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, correct. Okay, this is the polymer of isoprene. Clear? Next, the composition of producer gas. Composition of 5. The composition of, मेरा साथ लिखो, प्रोड्यूसर गैस क्या होगा? प्रोड्यूसर गैस का कंपोजिशन क्या होगा? द कंपोजिशन ऑफ वाटर गैस, इसका साथ राइट, वाटर गैस. कंपोजिशन ऑफ वाटर गैस, कंपोजिशन ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर गैस क्या होगा? CO, कार्बन मोनोक्साइड प्लस N2, कार्बन मोनोक्साइड प्लस H2, this is hydrogen, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, carbon monoxide plus carbon dioxide plus H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, yeah, carbon dioxide plus hydrogen, carbon dioxide plus hydrogen. हाँ, this is yes, 4 ऑप्शन है दोनों के लिए you have to write the composition. The composition of producer gas: carbon monoxide, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, H2O2, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, हाइड्रोजन. इसमें कौन है प्रोड्यूसर गैस, एक कौन है वाटर गैस. यू हैव टू राइट द प्रोड्यूसर गैस क्या होगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोजन, ये है प्रोड्यूसर गैस. वाटर गैस कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन. दिस विल बी ऑप्शन 6. दिस इज ऑप्शन 6. ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर ये होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का आंसर कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन होगा. एक साथ हम दोनों क्वेश्चन कर दिया. क्लियर. नंबर 7 again, composition of producer gas carbon monoxide, nitrogen, composition of water gas carbon monoxide, hydrogen. Clear. Next, pH is it की जरूरत नहीं है. Gypsum in case of cement, gypsum is the function of gypsum in cement. In cement के लिए gypsum जो है we are adding, mixing, just crushing the concrete and making the cement just before. If some percentage 2 or 6% of gypsum is added, what is the function of gypsum? Gypsum का function क्या है? I am telling answer. Question option: retarder, accelerator of setting, water absorber, none. अच्छा, retarder, accelerator of setting, water absorber, none. Clear. What will answer? Number option B. Clear. So retarder, accelerator of setting, water absorber, none. Water absorber नहीं होगा. Okay. Setting and hardening of cement is a process of. Setting and hardening of cement is a process of hydration, hydrolysis, electrolysis, both A and B. I am telling again, setting and hardening of cement is a process of. Setting and hardening of cement is a process of hydration, hydrolysis, electrolysis, both A and B. Hydration, hydrolysis, electrolysis, option 4, both A and B. The answer होगा क्या? Both A and B. I am not writing this. Write it down. Next questions. Lubricant is used for. You have learned lubricant. You know it is used for increasing frictional heat, increasing resistance, decreasing frictional resistance, provide direct contact between rubbing surfaces. Read the questions carefully. Read the options carefully. It will be very important and it will also very easy. Lubricant also is used to minimize the frictions, to save energy, to protect against corrosions, all of the above. So many options will be given. I have given you in the internal exams. The lubricant are used to minimize frictions, to save energy, to protect against corrosions, and option D, all of the above. In this case, which is the answer? All of the above. Yes, correct. But in the previous questions, lubricant is used for option 1, increasing frictional heat, increasing resistance, decreasing frictional resistance, or provide direct contact between rubbing surfaces. Here, not all of the above. Not C, not B, not A, will be C. That is decreasing frictional resistance. Clear? Now, molybdenum disulfide. Okay, corrosion is a process हो गया. Which of the following in coal decrease its calorific value? Which of the following decrease calorific value? Tell me. Which decreases? 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 हो गया. I have told you in some of the two or three questions verbally. I have not written out it. Write it down. Okay. Next, right? Which of the following in coal decrease its calorific value? Right? Which decreases? Which of the following? Which decreases? D-R-E-C-R-E-A. Which decreases the calorific value of coal? Which of the following in coal decreases its calorific value? Okay, which of the following in coal decreases its calorific value? Tell me. Carbon, इसमें थोड़ा लॉन्ग है. I am writing carbon, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Okay, carbon, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. Which is the correct answer? Tell me. Which of the following in the coal decreases its calorific value? Answer will be first one. That is the C. Correct. Carbon. Okay. Next. The process of splitting bigger hydrocarbon. The process of splitting bigger hydrocarbon into lower hydrocarbons, right? The process of splitting bigger hydrocarbon into a lower hydrocarbon. This process is known as what? The process of splitting bigger hydrocarbons into smaller hydrocarbon will be, what is the known? What is the process known? Got my point? Got my point? The bigger hydrocarbons I have done, you have read in the classes, decane, okay, heptane, octane, okay. So bigger hydrocarbons to lower hydrocarbons, bigger hydrocarbons to lower hydrocarbon. This process is known as, okay. What is the process known as? Option will be given. What? Right? The bigger hydrocarbon to lower hydrocarbon. The process is known as pyrolysis. Okay? Knocking, cracking, none. Which of the option? The process of breaking down from bigger hydrocarbon to lower hydrocarbon. Which is the known? Pyrolysis or knocking or cracking or none? Answer will be cracking. Cracking is the correct answer. Correct. Cracking is the correct answer. Okay. Now question. For you know the anti-knock, to decrease the anti-knock property, to resist the anti-knock property of fuel, that for decreasing anti-knock property of petrol, it is mixed with, what is mixed? Lead bromide. I am telling the questions. Okay. You have to write. Okay. Writing. I am telling that to resist the knocking of engine, that is, you have diesel engine, petrol engine, you know, cetane number, octane number, I have discussed. The question is this. The process of for decreasing anti-knock property, for decreasing anti-knock property, petrol, it is mixed. What is mixed? For anti-knock, resist decreasing anti-knock property, which is mixed. Tel means tetraethyl lead, allyl bromide, lead bromide, allyl bromide, tel, tetraethyl lead, and none. Answer will be tel. Just tel. Anti-knock compound tel. MTBE also there. Now it is used because it what? Tetraethyl lead is there. It is also pollute the cause pollution. Next. Which of the following is not natural polymer? Which of the following is not option? Which of the following is not natural polymer? Which of the following is not natural polymer? Suppose the option is silk, which is not natural polymer. Silk is there, wool is there, nylon is there, starch is there. Nylon is there. That is the nylon. It is. Okay. Not the natural polymer. What is the next questions? important questions may come. What is the raw materials to prepare bakelite? Raw materials, right? Raw materials to prepare bakelite. bakelite इसका अलग नाम क्या है, केमिकल नेम क्या है? फिनॉल फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड रेजिन्स। तब वहाँ से जो नाम है उसका केमिकल नेम है, जो ये बाजारी नेम है, तब बेकेलाइट को लिए जो रॉ मटेरियल ज़रूरत है वो क्या है? इट विल बी गिवन इन पेयर्स, फिनॉल प्लस formaldehyde, phenol plus formaldehyde, phenol plus aldehyde, phenol plus acetic acid, none. Yeah, phenol plus formaldehyde, C6H5OH plus ACHO. Phenol plus formaldehyde is known as bakelite. Phenol formaldehyde resin. These are the two monomers. Monomers combine together to form polymers. Clear? Monomers combine together to form polymers. It is very important. Guys, here I draw my ends. I will try. I am giving the short video for your betterment, for your convenience, and also for me, because I have also tuitions. I have also some work, personal work. So I am doing a short video for you. So check it, read it, follow it, and write it in a copy. I'll check, and if any questions, ask me. Okay? Thank you. Goodbye.